Voting is underway for single-phase assembly elections in Madhya Pradesh and second and final phase of polling in Chhattisgarh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that Voice of Global South is a unique platform reflecting the changing world in the 21st century. External Affairs Ministry has said that India has always underlined the need for humanitarian laws and civilian casualties to be avoided in the Israel-Hamas conflict. US President Joe Biden has reaffirmed the United States' commitment to strengthen the semiconductor supply chain with a special emphasis on collaborative efforts with key nations including India. In the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, Australia registered a 3-wicket win over South Africa in the second semi-finals at the Eden Gardens in Kolkata last night to set up summit clash with India.